Hello friends, my name is Professor Mohini and I am here to welcome you on behalf of VIII classes. Today we are going to learn simple linear regression, a topic from machine learning. Machine learning, yes, ML. It is one of the elective subjects for computer engineering in semester 6 and semester 8. It is one of the topmost research areas in the industry. It makes your data analysis much more accurate than your Excel sheets. So it designs algorithms, different types of algorithms. Those are supervised and unsupervised. Out of which today we are here to learn something about one of the regression techniques, which is a supervised machine learning algorithm. So what exactly machine learning does? It takes a training set, then gives it to the learning algorithm and computes a function f, wherein you give it input variable x and it predicts a value of y. So what is regression? Regression is predicting a continuous numerical value. There are two types of predictive models, that are classification and regression. Classification gives you distinct labels. For example, whether the email in your inbox is a spam or is not a spam. But regression gives you a continuous integer or numeral value. For example, a car, to predict a car price based on its attributes. Okay, so what could be the attributes? The attributes could be the brand, it could be mileage, it could be the year, and so on. Maybe also detecting a stock price, predicting a stock price in a stock exchange. Suppose today we have an example. I have height and weight. So I have given a data wherein I have 6 numbers, that is height of 6 people, and depending on that I have the weight of the people. Now this is the training set. I give this training set to my learning algorithm. This learning algorithm will then give you a predictive model for finding out the weight for different height. Okay, so what is linear regression then? Linear regression gives you a function called as y is equal to a plus bx. Now this is a bit tough. No, let's make it more simpler. Y is equal to mx plus c. I hope you all have seen this equation somewhere in your 10th standard. Maybe equation of a straight line. Yeah, it is equation of a straight line. It is similar to that. So, what do we have to do? We have to calculate b. B is what? B is a y-intercept. And A is what? X-intercept? No. B gives you the slope. B gives you the slope of a line. Whereas A is your y-intercept. Okay. So, B is given as R Sy by Sx. Now friends, what is this Sy and Sx? It is nothing but standard deviation. Yeah, standard deviation. And here you have the y-intercept. So, y-intercept is given as y dash minus b into x dash. Now, what is this x dash? What is this y dash? X dash and y dash is the mean of these values. That means I average the x values and I get the value as 162. Whereas when I average y values, I get the value as 49.083. Okay. So how to calculate R? And what is R? R is nothing but it is a Pearson correlation coefficient. But how is that R given? So here is it. R is given as summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar whole divided by square root of summation of x minus x bar the whole square into y minus y bar the whole square. Okay. So now suppose I want to calculate the weight for height x given to be maybe 168. I need to predict what could be the weight of a person whose height is 168 centimeters. How will you do that? I just need to put down the values and I'll get the answer. How is that possible? First, let us calculate B. So B is what? R. Okay, I have already calculated the value for you. R is equal to 0.99. So that is 0.99 into SY and SX. What is SY and SX? SY and SX are standard deviation as I said earlier. And how it is given? SY is equal to summation of y minus y bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. Okay. So what could be the answer of B then? I need to compute the values of SY and SX. If I compute the value of SY and SX and put it, I will get the value of B as 0.610. I have already calculated this for you. Next, what I need to calculate is A, because still I am pending with A. So how could I get A? A is your Y mean. What is your Y mean? You get it as 49.083 minus B, you have calculated it as 0.610 into x-intercept. What is it? 162. So you get A as minus 49.737. That's it. What else do we need? We have x is 168. We have B is 0.610 and A is minus 49.737. So just put the values and you'll get the answer. That is Y is equal to A. That is minus 49.737 plus B. What is B? 0.610 into X. What is X? It is 168. And you get Y as somewhere around 49. Approximately 49. So this is the weight of that person. So this is how simple regression works. But there are many more algorithms to come. Well, they are very easy if you understand it with a real life example. So thank you people, and please join us at your nearest Vidyalanka centers. Thank you.